Welcome dear viewers of Hayat Siha channel. Welcome to this important video. Did you know that there is a natural and powerful substance considered one of the greatest secrets for burning stubborn fat, cleansing the liver and losing weight at an astonishing speed? This substance is called berberine. It is not a chemical drug, but a natural extract found in certain herbs and fruits. Today I will reveal to you the amazing secrets of berberine and how it can completely transform your health, restore balance to your body and bring back your fitness and vitality. Number 1. What is berberine? Berberine is a plant compound extracted from a plant called barberry, sireshk in Persian, and it can also be found in the bark and roots of certain trees. It has been used in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine for hundreds of years to treat infections and various illnesses. However, modern science has discovered that berberine possesses extraordinary abilities. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, improves liver function, and burns stored fat. Number 2. What happens inside your body when you take berberine? When you take berberine, it begins an incredible journey inside your body. First, it enters the bloodstream and then reaches your cells. There, berberine activates an important enzyme called AMPK, often referred to as a metabolic master switch, that resets and optimizes your body's metabolism. Thanks to this enzyme, your cells start burning more fat. They become more sensitive to insulin, which improves the way they handle sugar. Food is converted into active energy instead of being stored as fat. In the liver, berberine works to cleanse liver cells, reduce fat accumulation inside them, and help regenerate the liver, giving it a stronger ability to detoxify harmful substances. In short, when you take berberine, it acts like a smart controller that restores order and vitality to every cell in your body, boosting energy, reducing weight, and improving the performance of both your liver and heart. Number 3. The amazing health benefits of berberine. Berberine is not just a compound for burning fat. It offers a wide range of benefits that support the health of your entire body. It works to lower blood sugar levels by increasing the sensitivity of your cells to insulin. Reduce harmful cholesterol LDL, which helps protect the heart and blood vessels. Support the immune system, making your body more capable of fighting diseases. Improve gut health by restoring the balance of beneficial bacteria. Reduce internal inflammation, which is considered the root cause of many chronic illnesses. In fact, berberine acts like a master key that unlocks the doors of wellness, combining weight loss, liver support, heart health, and a stronger immune system all at once. Number 4. Berberine and stubborn fat burning. One of the hardest challenges many people face is getting rid of stubborn fat, especially around the belly and love handles. But berberine is considered a powerful weapon against this struggle. When berberine activates the AMPK enzyme, it boosts the metabolic rate inside the cells, breaking down stored fat and converting it into active energy. What's even more important is that it prevents the formation of new fat cells, helping to reduce future fat accumulation. In this way, berberine is not just a simple aid for weight loss. It is a true fighter against stubborn fat that refuses to disappear with diet and exercise alone. Number 5. Berberine, the fighter of inflammation, cholesterol, and fatty liver. Berberine is more than just a dietary supplement. It is truly a powerful warrior inside your body. First, it works to fight inflammation, which is the hidden root of many chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. It helps calm the body and restore balance. Second, it contributes to lowering levels of bad cholesterol LDL, while increasing good cholesterol HDL. This protects the blood vessels and reduces the risk of clots and heart disease. Third, it acts as a shield for the liver, reducing fat accumulation and helping in the treatment of fatty liver disease, which affects many people due to unhealthy lifestyle and diet. With these benefits, berberine becomes a natural secret for complete health, anti-inflammatory, cholesterol regulating, and liver cleansing all at once. If you've made it with us to this point in the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. Berberine improves mood and focus. One of the amazing benefits that many people may not know is that berberine is not only for burning fat or supporting the liver. It can also positively influence the brain and mental well-being. It helps by improving the efficiency of nerve cells and enhancing their ability to communicate, balancing neurotransmitters in the brain such as serotonin and dopamine, which are linked to mood and feelings of happiness, strengthening focus and improving mental clarity. By doing so, berberine may help reduce anxiety and stress, giving the brain a boost of energy and vitality. This makes a person feel in a better mood with higher productivity and sharper focus. Number 7. Special benefits of berberine for women. Berberine is not only for weight loss and liver support, it also offers unique benefits for women, making it both a health ally and a beauty friend at the same time. First, it helps regulate hormones, especially for women who struggle with polycystic ovary syndrome, POS. It improves the body's sensitivity to insulin and supports the balance of testosterone and estrogen levels, which helps reduce cycle irregularities. Second, it plays a role in skin beauty as it reduces inflammation and helps prevent acne and blemishes, giving the skin a natural glow and clarity. Third, it contributes to the health of hair and nails, thanks to its ability to improve blood circulation and nourish cells with essential nutrients. With all these benefits, we can truly say that berberine is not just a health supplement. It is also a natural enhancer of your beauty and femininity. Number 8. Finally, the correct and safe way to take berberine. To get the best benefits from berberine, it must be taken the right and safe way. The recommended dosage for most people is between 500 to 1,500 milligrams per day, divided into 2 to 3 doses. It is best taken before main meals to improve absorption and support digestion. For noticeable results, berberine should be used for at least 8 to 12 weeks, alongside maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Always consult your doctor before starting, especially if you are taking medication for diabetes or high blood pressure, to avoid any drug interactions. This way you can enjoy the benefits of berberine safely and effectively, without worrying about side effects as long as you follow the proper guidelines. My dear friends, after exploring together the amazing secrets of berberine, from its role in burning stubborn fat, to cleansing the liver, lowering cholesterol, improving mood and focus, and even its special benefits for women, we can see that this natural compound holds a truly precious health treasure. But always remember, the real key to getting the most out of any supplement lies in moderation, medical guidance, and sticking to the correct dosage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the latest reliable health information. Share with us in the comments. What are the benefits of berberine that interest you most? Have you tried it yourself? May you stay healthy and well. Bye.